Hello everyone, so today I've got an unboxing video of my new iPhone 12 Pro Max. I sold my 11 Pro Max to get this one, and yeah, so I got the same capacity as last time, so 256 gigabytes. And since the 12 Pro Max doesn't have midnight green, I went with silver this time round. So let's take a look around the box before going inside of it. On the front of the box is a picture of the phone. On the sides, it says iPhone. On the top and the bottom, there is the Apple logo, and I believe the Apple logos as well as the iPhone wordings on the sides are color-coded to the iPhone that you buy. So since I got silver, they are in silver. And on the back, you have what comes in the box, the system requirements, the barcode, serial number, and all that stuff. So as before, there is a tab down here that you pull. Let's move the plastic aside and slide the top off. And there you go. The iPhone is right on top. Let's take that out. Put it in here. And down here we have the USB-C to Lightning cable. Together with a pack that says designed by Apple in California, and inside this pack we have the SIM card ejection tool. This is sort of like the safety, warranty, and getting started guides in Mandarin, Malay, and English. And lastly, one Apple sticker. Okay, so let's take the protective film off the display. Put it aside and do a quick first boot up. Hello, swipe up to open. English. It always tells me Germany right at the top. Obviously, as always, I would like to be there, but I'm not, so I am in right, Malaysia. Quick start. Set up manually, written and spoken languages. I'll just do the basic because I'm gonna restore from my 11 Pro Max. Let me just do the Wi-Fi password and get back to you in a minute. Okay, so I have entered the Wi-Fi password, and it says it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Okay, so data and privacy. Continue. Face ID, continue. Okay, get started. Okay, so Face ID scan complete, continue. Okay, I hope the camera doesn't get in the way, but Face ID is now set up. Continue. Let me just enter the passcode. Okay, so the passcode has been entered. Think I'm gonna click don't transfer apps and data for now. Then when I get to my iMac, I'm just gonna restore from backup. Apple ID. Let me just do this and be back. Okay, the Apple ID has been entered, so now agree to the terms and conditions. Okay, express settings, continue for now. Keep your iPhone up to date, continue for now. Siri setup later in settings, screen time, continue for now.
app analytics, share with app developers, I guess. True tone display. This is with True Tone. This is without. I normally turn it off because I don't like it. So now continue. I use the light appearance, display zoom, standard, and welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. And there you go. It is all set up.
Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of my new iPhone 12 Pro Max 256GB in silver. Thanks for watching and goodbye.